Okay, let's have a quick review of this sound machine for sleeping, and also it works as night. Now press this button. Okay, it's a little loud, so we can adjust the volume. And this sound machine has 24 sounds. You can change the sounds here. This is like a fire, cricket, all kinds of this white noise. It's good for sleeping. Heartbeat, and has the white noise. This is like a washing machine. Okay, you can choose what you like, or maybe for baby, we can try which one is better for the baby to sleep. This is very pure white noise, and we can set up the time for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, and okay, this is no time, so it's overnight. And it's also a night, so we can control the light. You can see the brightness. And we can just turn it off, so we can only have a sound for kids. Also, we have the colors, different colors. They have 7 colors, so we can change the colors. And also we can have this color change, the brightness change. What do we call it? A breathing light. So it's just like a frequency as a breath. So with this frequencies, with a white light noise, so you can sleep well. This one is with a battery built inside to the sound, and also this is a charge port, so you can charge it, or you can just have the power input. So, and within the package, you have a cable. That's a cable, a USB cable, so you can use any wall charger to have a power input. Compared to the other sleeping machines, sound machine, why not this one? With breathing light, and with also you can use a simple light for kids, and have many sounds available. So you can pick one for your kid for the sleep.